Hello, good people. Today I found an interesting article on how to make vegetarian cholent. Usually it's meat is a large part of the ingredients, or is a part of the ingredients anyway, not large really. But anyway, this shows you how you can do it with all vegetarian ingredients in it. So let's take a look at it right now. Okay, thanks. Okay. This is what we have here. 7 Species Cholent by Jamie Geller. Here, this is what it would look like. This is a lighter vegetarian cholent to celebrate the new year for the trees. The recipe has something for everyone. It is heartwarming and delicious. For best results, use a great quality extra virgin olive oil. We love Cholavita. Ingredients: 1 large red onion sliced, 2 medium carrots thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 cup wheat berries, 1 cup barley, 1 cup raisins, 1 cup Kalamata olives pitted and chopped, 1/2 cup pitted and chopped dates, 1/2 cup stemmed and chopped dried figs, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 7 cups vegetable broth or water, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil such as Calavita, garnish pomegranate arils, chopped flat leaf parsley. Preparation: 1. Preheat slow cooker to low. 2. Combine onions, carrots, tomato paste, garlic, wheat berries, barley, raisins, Kalamata olives, dates, figs, salt, pepper, and the broth or water in the insert of the slow cooker. Drizzle with evu. I'm not sure what evu means. Alright, you can look it up. Cover and cook overnight. Before serving, scatter arils. So here, this is the 7 Species Cholent. And often people use potatoes to make cholent. So that might be an interesting addition to this too, because I don't see potatoes listed in the ingredients, but that can be experimented with. This is by Jamie Geller. This is something else. Vegan harissa latkes. Tamar Genger, MA, registered dietitian. I love making different kinds of patties with chickpea flour and eliminating the eggs. It gives a really nice crispy texture and works well with the flavor of potatoes. It also just happens to make the latkes vegan, which is a plus for some. I added harissa to the mix and to the sauce for a nice treat. I like them as patties or bowls, so it is up to you, but latke bites are kind of fun and different. Alright, let's continue on here. Let's see, this is, so who's this? This is Tamar Genger. Let's take a look at this. One moment. Tamar Genger. So, yeah, this is the continuation here. Let's see, 2.5 pound roasted potatoes, grated, 1 large white onion grated, 1/2 finely chopped green onion, 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/2 cup pea flour, 1.5 tablespoons harissa. Preparation: 1. Place grated potatoes and onions in large bowls. Mix in green onion, cilantro, chickpea flour, and harissa. 2. Heat oil in large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Make sure to have a thick layer of oil and that the oil is very hot. 3. Take small scoops of the mixture or form into patties and place in the hot oil. Fry on all sides and remove to paper towels to drain. Reheat in oven if needed and serve with harissa mayo. Prepare sauce by mixing vegan mayo with harissa at 1:1 ratio. So here you have the harissa flavored latkes, potato latkes, or harissa flavored chickpea latkes. There we go. And That's the vegan harissa latkes. And the 7 species Cholent. And this tells you all about it also. Okay. Thanks a lot. We'll see you again. Take care.